Alright, I got a 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 with a U11 ambient air temp code. I was not able to find any good videos on this, so the ambient temp sensor is actually right here underneath the driver's side mirror, and all you're going to need is a flathead, and you're going to pop this little cap off here, and then your ambient temp sensor will be back there. I actually pulled mine off, and this is where it goes. It sticks back up in there. Hoping this is the problem. Once I do get the new one, I will go ahead and show you how to pop it back in. It's obviously the same as reverse. This piece just twists out of the plastic piece and then unclips from here. And hopefully that does it.